Guess who is back? Gaza Nation. The 10-star one. In a full effect. So here we go on. I'm going to ask you now to share the video. So YouTube can push out the notification and make the nation people them know say the general is back in a full effect and on a top shutter thing. Hear me, man? At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what I go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what's going on when I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, yo, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me now, man. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. The 10-star one is back after a local family trip. And you don't know the rest of it. So here we go on. Mr. Man, respect for see all the nation people them address the World Boss new album. Yo, nation people, respect to the max, you know. Because I like the result where Amazon are push out in the nation people. So respect to the max, you know. No gimmicks thing that they about it. And I like the numbers are streaming where Spotify are push out. Nation people, bless upon yourself, you know. My sister, you know, laugh with it, you know. No gimmicks thing that they about it, you know. And here we go on. Big respect to Gaza Diva. I see what she do on her channel for the Rascal World Boss album. You see what I say? And I see how much people are sending all them receipt or them pre-order and them shit there. Diva, anywhere you're there in the world, you know my thing already, you know, Diva. I'm stuck in a love with you, you know. No gimmicks thing that they about it, you know. Yeah, man, I plant in a love with you. No real way I represent, no farmer gimmicks not in my game. So anyway, you're there, Diva, and you know 10-star, I say crazy love, right? No farmer lollipop thing, Diva. You hear that? Watch. Yeah, so I say, right now, nation people, I know, you see the numbers where Amazon push out and all them things, but here we go on. We go set a different place, brother. You know what I mean? What's true? We go set a different place. So right now, I want the people them top up the increase. You see what I say? Top up the increase on the pre-sale. You see what I deal with? No joke shit no dead about it, nation people. I could make a different mark in a dancehall. I could change this shit once and for all. And you don't know, so when dancehall are changed, if another World Boss a gimmicks business. You see what I say? No joke shit no dead about it. Born for this. It couldn't name no better. You know nobody better right now to execute a big change in a dancehall than the World Boss, my virgin. So I could just go for the kill and done. You know what I mean? No joke shit no dead about it. I could just go set up a record where pre-order business is concerned. No lollipop thing no dead nation people. I could just go set a record where pre-order concerned. You see what I say? And I don't know the 6 now when the album drop is a different record that. You see what I say? Because we can't repeat the same record, you know, when we drop an album, you know. No joke shit not there, you know. We're supposed to broke the previous one, you know. In 2, you know, by far 2, you know, no gimmicks thing not there in the nation people. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, the numbers, you know, with Spotify, you know, I push out, you know, how much million, you know, people are streaming my music, you know, and I listen to Vybz Kartel music monthly, you know, my brother. So that means the music I reach the mass, you know, my brother. So when the general forget support right now, and I know gimmicks thing, you know, you see what I say? I don't know, I'm missing half of the internet for a few, you see what I say? But right now, the general back, you see what I say? In action, so I know how my thing go already, you know. When it come to Gaza, you know, no lollipop thing. I ask you Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You hear me now, man? You don't know how the world boss set it already, you know, my brother. I be a style, lyrics, mega 4, silly means, him use and make it. You see what I deal with? No joke shit no dead about it. You know what I mean? When I represent no lollipop way about it. Eh? Yeah, a real way. Sorry, babes. You see what I say? Real way. You know what I mean? Yeah. So just make certain so we get in on the pre-sale to the most we can do. You see what I say? And we'll wait on the album too. Because it not stop there, so. Because when the album drop, it's a different kettle of fish. You see me? You talk about. No joke shit no dead about it. You know what I mean? We no longer talk about it in the nation, people. A bun will come for bun up road and give them more, you know. You see what I say? No farm a lollipop thing, you know. About it, you know. I change dancehall again, you know. Once and for all, you know. You see what I say? What am I say? Dancehall music now sell. I could show them how we do it in the nation, people. You know what I mean? So when the day, when them a give out, when them a give out result for sale album, you know what I mean? We can stand up proudly and say, yeah, we was a part of the history. It's not no mystery. And I like some people where go out and buy them own album and try to tell lie and all these things. And I not like that. You know what I mean? No, we not represent no full way of the nation, people. You know how the thing go already, you know. Gaza, you know. You know what I mean? And it's not just a saying, it's a lifestyle in the nation, people. So if you say Gaza, you know, you don't know where the thing there, you know. So when I say the pre-order, you know, we increase up the sale on it more, you know. And the album when it drop, you know, the 6 in a world record thing, you know. You see what I say? Adapt me I say cause Gaza international, you know what I mean? And over there on all platforms you can hear there, you see say the album at the ratings I be a #1. You see what I say? Now watch what country. Them show you the ratings. Or the pre-order sale for the album. A #1 Gaza Nation. So hear me I say. Could get in. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because enough of it. Not get no pre-order yet. And I remind you, know, so we don't have to get in. Because I know lollipop thing. You see what I say? I don't know when I represent already. A real way. No for my gimmicks in the thing. You know what I mean? So just make sure we go in, we suck up all of that. You hear me? The 10 star, the general, the people's champion, Gaza Nation. What? Watch. Let me get 1950. Watch.